In the previous tutorial, we created a planting operation and populated some of its attributes with reference data. Before we step through saving the operation, let's pull up the notes icon. The notes icon allows us to add notes for this specific event. The notes will appear when you generate reports showing the operation history for a particular field, or if you save this operation as a recommendation. For example, we will include notes that state that this is the whole field seeding recommendation, and that there is another seeding recommendation for the same field based on specific zones. Now, let's step through saving an operation or recommendation. Click Save at the bottom of the pick list pane. Before an operation is saved, Summit requires that you assign the operation to a season. You can choose a specific year, such as 2013, or a particular crop within that year. Event date refers to the date on which the operation was executed or performed. If you are a consultant or manager who is preparing for upcoming activities, you can opt to save as recommendation, which will save the operation as something that needs to be completed at a future date. When Save as Recommendation is checked, you can then set a window of dates for which that operation should be executed. The user-defined name field allows you to assign a unique name to the operation. For instance, if I name this Single Rate Planting, then the planting layer within the Maps section will display the unique name in parentheses next to the standard planting title. The Notes field allows you to enter personal notes pertaining to the operation. We can add notes to this section, or, like we showed at the beginning of this tutorial, we can use the Notes icon when populating the pick lists. We will cover the option for Saved Management Zone in other tutorials. I'm going to uncheck Save as Recommendation so that this planting rec is saved as an actual operation. This would mean that on this date, we executed this planting operation on this field. In other tutorials, we will look at the process of saving a recommendation and then converting recommendations to executed operations. When we click Save, Summit will show the message that the operation has been successfully saved.